Just as we expected, the correction is getting stronger. The price has also crossed the yellow line of the indicators. Clear candlestick patterns help spot reversals just in time. Hey there, my friend, it's Simon again, and I'm excited to have you here. I've got something that will lift your mood. I'm gonna share with you my favorite, most effective strategy that's already brought me excellent results. If you want to learn how to achieve the same kind of success, watch this video carefully so you don't miss any important details. It's helpful whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started in trading. My name is Simon, and I'm a professional trader with 9 years of experience. I'll walk you through where to begin, what steps to take, and what to focus on so you can get real returns on your efforts. All you need to start is your phone. Everything else you'll need to apply this strategy in your life. I'll explain in this video. I'll also personally guide you through every step, so don't put it off. Let's get started right now. Attention, I've got something really important to share. Imagine being able to watch every move a trading expert makes, understand their logic, and apply their actions in real time. No guessing, no complicated terms, just follow along and use it. I created a trading community with thousands of members where I trade live every day. I show my trades, explain every move, and help you apply the knowledge in real time. You'll get step-by-step support from me personally, especially if you're just starting out. This is not theory for theory's sake. It's hands-on practice and real actionable strategies. Access is still free for now, but the group is not limitless, so pause this video, click the link in the pinned comment and join us. Don't wait. While you're thinking about it, others are succeeding. Alright, let's jump into the trading. Alright, let's move on to the session. I've already opened the platform. This is what it looks like. I just need to set a few parameters. Choose the pairs and the indicators. Here's one of my favorites. It shows when the market is picking up speed and when it's slowing down, meaning it helps identify a trend earlier than others and make more informed decisions. Okay, everything's set, let's get started. The price is moving in a sideways channel. This is called a range or consolidation. During these times, the market doesn't pick a direction but fluctuates between support and resistance levels. Now the price has touched the lower boundary support level again, but there was no gradual pressure buildup, which means seller pressure didn't accumulate and the price could bounce upward. I'm opening a position to go up, expecting the market to rebound from the level and continue moving within the range. We are seeing the price bounce. A range is one of the most predictable patterns if you know how it works. Let's keep going. There's been a sharp reversal on the chart. The price turned around with a strong impulse. This means buyers quickly regain control. The indicator lines are pointing upward, confirming a continuation of the movement. The market is pressing against a local level, and that's often a sign of an upcoming breakout. I'm going up, expecting the price to break through and keep climbing. The level was broken. A key insight: when the price consolidates against a level, it's more likely to break it than bounce off it. Let's move on to the next trade. After a drop, the price is retesting a level. This happens when the price breaks through a key zone, support or resistance, then comes back to it, like testing if it can stay above it or will fall again. Most often, if the downward move was strong and then the price just returns without aggressive buying, it means the level will act as resistance and the downtrend will continue. I'm going down, expecting a bounce from the level. And that's exactly what happened. The level held. When the price retests a level after a drop, that's often a prime entry point. Moving on. Okay, I see the trend is still down and the market has made a new low, followed by a slight correction. A correction is a temporary pullback, given a chance to re-enter in the trend direction. I'm entering a short position right at the end of the correction as the market gets ready to move down again. A correction is not a reversal, it's just a pause before the trend continues. Let's keep going. Guys, if you want to increase your income through trading, I'm inviting you to my exclusive Telegram community. There you'll find everything you need to start your journey and discover new opportunities, even if you're a complete beginner and have never heard of all these before. And just to be clear, I'm not selling you any courses here. I host live trading sessions where I share my trading decisions in real time. Yes, it's that simple. Access to my channel is free for now, and I highly recommend that you go to the description under this video, click the link and subscribe to my channel. Yes, pause this video right now, do it, and then continue watching. Because if you don't, we might just lose track of each other on YouTube and you may never come across my content again. I'm waiting for you. A bearish engulfing candle just appeared at the top. This means sellers have taken over and are starting to push the price down. The price has also crossed the yellow line of the indicator, signaling the beginning of a deeper correction. I'm going down, expecting the price to at least reach the accumulation zone in this area. We are seeing a trend reversal. Candlestick analysis and indicators help spot shifts in direction in time. Let's move on. We saw a battle between buyers and sellers. First, the market was pushed down, then quickly bought up with a strong impulse upward. The price is now holding above the indicator and making a small retest of the accumulation zone. I'm going up because the strong buying action shows the market is likely to keep rising. Strong moves are rarely random. If big players have stepped in, they won't let the price drop. Next trade. After a rise, we've started to see a downward correction and another bearish engulfing pattern has formed on the chart. This could mean the price is starting to move in the opposite direction. It has also crossed the yellow line of the indicator, confirming a deeper correction. I'm going down, expecting the decline to continue. Just as we expected, the correction is getting stronger. Knowing candlestick patterns helps act fast when trends shift. Moving on. After a strong upward impulse, we are seeing a shooting star, a candlestick pattern signaling buyer weakness. If buying momentum is fading, it often means the market is ready to pull back. The next candle confirms the pattern with a red close. It's a good time to sell as the downward move has likely begun. I'm going down, expecting a correction. Clear candlestick patterns help spot reversals just in time. Let's keep going. Now a different picture. After a strong correction up, the price has returned below the indicator and the lines are now pointing down. This might mean the upward move is over and sellers are back in control. I'm not hesitating, I'm going down, expecting the downward trend to continue. Let's continue moving with the trend. When price drops below the indicator again, it often signals another move down. And now the last pair for today. Just as I mentioned earlier, the correction reached this level, a support level. From there, the market bounced upward and returned to its main direction. The indicator confirms the upward trend. I'm going up, expecting continued growth. You just saw that trading can be simple, clear, and accessible if you have the right strategy and a clear plan. Now you've got two options. Leave everything the way it is or try something new. Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. One path is the same road you've been walking for years. It will take you to the same place you've always been. No changes, no new opportunities. The other path leads to growth, development, and new knowledge. Which one will you choose? Alright, let's be honest. You just spent time watching this video and now we have two options. Close this tab, forget everything you just learned and continue living as you did before, or finally take action and do something that could open new doors for you. My Telegram channel is not just another random chat, it's a community of people who are ready for change. There I share everything I know. daily practical insights in real time, my trading strategies I've been using for years, a community of 16,000 like-minded people, all with one goal: achieve financial independence. And this is just the beginning. If you are serious about making a difference, stop putting it off. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and subscribe now. From this moment on, your life can take a new direction. The choice is yours.